Hello and welcome to another update video on Solana. So we're looking here at the short-term chart for Solana. This is the 30-minute chart. Structure hasn't really shifted that much from yesterday, but obviously we're still tracking here this bounce, which is labeled an ABC structure. So we're tracking here this move to the upside in a possible wave 4 bounce, right? And we're tracking it as an ABC structure. The B wave pullback could be underway now in the orange scenario, or maybe the A wave gets one more high in the blue scenario, but both are pointing towards the same outcome. Still, that is unchanged and has been very consistent over the last week or so, because the idea was that on Friday here, we formed a low in or at around $122, $121.60. So look, we had from there an ABC structure to the upside. And that can always be an A wave. An A wave can be an ABC structure, a 3-wave move, done. And then the B wave pullback afterwards, well, it started possibly here yesterday, A wave. We saw the 3-wave move up in wave B. And we could be working on a C wave now. It might just need one more low. It might just need one more low to wrap up that C wave. Doesn't seem very motivated to give us that one more low right now, but maybe it'll happen today. And we could test the A wave low again. So either way, I think one more low could give us a completed C wave. If we go higher from here, I would simply treat it as an extension of an A wave. Why? Because an A wave can be a 3-wave move or an A wave or a 5-wave move. Something that you learn in our video course, which we offer as part of our Gold membership. If you're interested, you can also just read the Elliott Wave book by Frost and Prechter, the Elliott Wave Principle. It's all in there. It's like common knowledge for those of you who have already learned Elliott Wave. But yeah, it's just important to understand when navigating these patterns that A waves can be 3-wave movements or 5-wave movements. Yeah, very, very important. Now, it is important to understand this is the support zone. And honestly, as long as we are holding it, there is no sign that we are on our way to a new low. This could happen as an alternative scenario. We always need to be ready for alternatives. Someone asked me yesterday, what would happen if we break below support? I think we're just going to dip then to the next FIB support level that seems likely between $117 and $118. And I would treat it as an extension of wave 3. For now, we're tracking, however, the bounce in wave 4. And the assumption, the working assumption is that the 3rd wave already bottomed on the 21st. So I think today, this is now a key spot, because if it's the blue count and we get one more upside extension, well, honestly, this is the space from where that 5th wave should start. The 5th wave might be unfolding, talking about the C wave of the 5th wave. Yeah. Wave 5 in this case would be an ABC structure. But it looks a bit more like the orange pathway, in which we might just get one more low, test support, or at least the Tuesday low again. And then we're going to watch for a reversal to the upside. Yeah. Now, it's important to understand that the area here is likely going to provide fairly strong resistance around $144.60. See, we've spent time below this level now since Friday the 14th, a bit more than a week. And there are a lot of tests of this level here. All failed a breakout. So quite strong resistance we're approaching here. That's why we have the yellow line there as well, just to highlight a key trend line. So let's see. But overall, this here at the moment is a bounce. We were watching for the bounce. We've been tracking it together, but it's still fairly weak. So what I don't see at the moment, and this is very important, I don't see an upside impulse. An upside impulse would indicate that maybe something more bullish is going on than just a wave 4 bounce. But I don't see that at this point. So I don't see any need to change my scenarios here. So very consistent. So hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment and subscribe. And if you're interested in additional updates, then consider to join the MCO family. There's a discount code for our annual membership at the moment. You can follow the link in the comment section. It takes you to our FAQ page here on our website under memberships. You can then join the annual membership if you want to make use of the Black Friday week offer. We only do these discounts once a year. They're never guaranteed anyway, but typically once a year during the Black Friday season. And it gives you 20% off the already discounted annual membership. And as an annual member, you can join our Discord server. If you're a gold member, you get additional updates on cryptos, you get the TradingView live charts. An Elliott Wave course is included, a risk management course, very helpful. Yeah, I mean, if you look at what happened on the 10th of October, you know why. Bonus updates even on gold and silver, some bonus updates on stocks. But again, TradingView live charts are probably even the most valuable aspect. You can ask questions, connect with me, connect with the community, join our weekly live streams. There are member-only videos, and I mean the price is very, very fair. You won't find a professional Elliott Wave service that gives you this frequency and quality for that price. Thanks so much. Bye-bye.